Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about HTTP request defaults in JMeter. This is a useful feature that helps you set common settings like the server name, port, or protocol for all your HTTP requests in one place. It saves times and makes your test plan simple and easy to manage. So let's begin. Right click on test plan. When first time you open the geometry, you can view this screen. Only test plan here option available. In the test plan, you can enter the test plan name and comments, and these are the user defined variables. Here you can set the user defined variables. In previous tutorial, I have explained in detail about the user defined variables. Right click on test plan thread group and then click on thread group. Here you can enter the number of threads, ramp up periods, and loop count. In previous tutorial, I have already described this thread group in detail. Right click on this add and add HTTP request. Here we need to enter the protocol server name, path, and the HTTP request. Let's add an other HTTP request. Right click on thread group, sampler, and HTTP request. Right click on thread, listener, and view result readd for checking the request and response in tree. In JMeter, we have multiple listeners are available. You can add the summary report, aggregate graphs. Here, multiples options are available you can use. Now, add the HTTP request. First thing here, we need to define the protocol. Suppose here we are here using HTTPS. So here enter HTTPS protocol server IP and the path. Open Chrome browser. Here you can view the protocol is HTTPS. Copy this HTTPS protocol and paste here in HTTPS section. Now we need to enter the server IP. Here server IP is pet store. Copy this complete domain and paste here. After enter the server IP or name, you need to define the path. Here path available v2 swagger.json. Copy this path. First, I will show you how you can send the HTTP request to the server, and then we use the HTTP request defaults for better setting. Now, open this Swagger. Here, multiple examples are available. Multiple methods are available: get, post, delete. Get method used for retrieving the data from server. Suppose we want to get the order ID, so we can use the get method, or we want to get the list of the students, so we can use the get method. And most method is used for sending the data to the server. Suppose you want to add the records or you want to add new user, then you can use the post. Delete use for deleting. Suppose you want to delete any order so in a store, so you can use the delete method. Now scroll down and here store. Click on try it out and then click on execute. Now we will get the complete here URL with path. So copy this complete path and paste here. Now we will use in a second HTTP request. Copy this complete URL and just paste here. Now same as well, we need to define the HTTPS. Here enter protocol HTTPS and then enter the path v2/store/inventory. copy this path and paste here. Now save this test plan and then execute. Here it will ask for saving this http.jmx file. Click on save and then click on start. Now request send to the server. Here we are getting some error. Let's check sending null because here we need to remove this backslash. Now again clear these results and send to the server. Now here you can view the request has been sent successfully. In the view result tree, you can view the get method and the protocol HTTPS. After protocol, this is the URL and then path. This is the response data. In the response data, we can view in text, JSON, regular expression. Here multiple options are available. We can view the response data in JSON, text, or regular expression tester. Now add the HTTP request defaults. Click on thread config element and then click on HTTP request defaults. Here one thing need to notice that we use HTTPS in every request and same as well we use this common URL. So we can define this protocol and the server name here in HTTP request defaults. So here just copy this HTTPS and define HTTPS here. Now we do not need to define here protocol. Remove this and same as well. We just define the HTTP request defaults here. Same as well. We can enter the path and common path and the port here. Remove also here from second HTTP request because here we are using in HTTP request defaults. We do not need to define here server IP or protocol here. So remove this. Just enter path here. Now here we define HTTPS server name and just enter path here in first and second request. Let's clear the results and again run this script. Here you can view the request sent successfully. We just define the protocol and server IP in HTTP request defaults. Few are the benefits of HTTP request defaults. Save time. You do not have to enter the same details for every HTTP request. It's keep simple. All common settings are in one place, making test plan easy to read. It reduce the error. Ensure all requests use the correct server and setting. If we need to update anything, we can easily update the server IP. Suppose you want to perform the testing on production, you just need to change here the server IP. You do not need to change the server IP in each request. You can still override the defaults for a specific request if needed. That is for today's tutorial on HTTP request defaults in JMeter. I hope you now understand how it can save time and make your test easier to manage. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to sqaworld for more simple and useful tutorials. If you have any question or ideas for my next video, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.